Assalamu alaikum. Have you ever wished you could recite the Quran easily with proper tajweed and truly understand its words? We are pleased to introduce Bastah Academy, your premier online destination for mastering Quran and Arabic, specifically designed for non-Arabic speakers. With our expert, certified instructors, you can now learn the Quran, Arabic, and Islamic studies more easily and effectively than ever. Our live sessions are designed to keep learners active, confident, and engaged from the very first minute by incorporating gamified learning, interactive exercises, and modern teaching techniques. We place a special focus on children, aiming to build their character, values, and confidence and love for learning in a supportive and inspiring environment that keeps them motivated and eager to learn. Ready to experience the difference? Visit our website at www.bastahacademy.com to explore our programs and book your free trial today. Bastah Academy, your seamless and enjoyable path to mastery.